Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out in Green Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now, find and open Green Crypto Wallet application on your device. Make sure that you have selected any one of your digital wallets. Type in your PIN to get access to your wallet. After that, to get logged out from your wallet, you need to click on the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find various options. At the bottom of these options, you will get a Logout tab, which is labeled in a red text. Click on Logout. As you can see that you have been logged out from your Green Crypto Wallet. So that is how you can log out in Green Crypto Wallet application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.